This could be the intro, babe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you don't know me, it's been a while. I did kind of need some time off YouTube just to reset. You just get those days when you're in a funk, so I kind of just needed to be off of YouTube for a little bit. But anyways, today I do have the Boxycharm base box right here to open up with you guys. I kind of just sneak peeked. I didn't really open anything up yet to try anything. We're not doing a try on today just because of the stuff that I looked at wasn't really like kind of a try on kind of stuff. So I just wanted to open it on camera here with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, so I do have my Boxycharm box. And this is the base box. I know prices have gone up. I'm not sure exactly what each one is because I have the yearly things. I'm not sure. Just have it charged to my account. So I'm not sure exactly what the prices are. But I will leave my referral link down in the description box in case you guys are interested. This is the base box. Like I said, it has the red on it, so you know that it's the base box, and that is my number right there for the box variation. And this month is Boxycharm Be My Glamentine. That's really cute little card here, and of course it gives you the items here in the back and the MSRP of each item. I'm just gonna go by the card and just pull out stuff as I see it here on the card. So the first thing I see is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Cream, which I think that was my pick out of the stuff that I got here today. So let me go ahead and pull that one out. This is what the little eye cream is, which is nice. I like that it is small. Sometimes eye creams can be hard to go through if they're huge, so I appreciate that it's a small little container. It looks like this. I do like the packaging on it. It's really cute. I actually do like Saturday Skin stuff. I received other things from Saturday Skin. It doesn't smell like anything. It just looks like a cream. I'm not gonna like put my finger on it or anything like that because I have other creams that I'm going through right now. It did come with the little stopper though, the little thing here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that closed. Super excited to have this though, and like I said, I do like the packaging. The MSRP on this is $32, so I myself already paid for the box. I'm pretty sure it's $27. I want to say it's $27, but I can't really remember. But that already I think paid for the box, so that is awesome. I am excited for this one. Next thing in the card here we have is the OPB Beauty Loose Setting Powder, and I've actually been receiving a lot of setting powders in my boxes lately, so I don't really need this right now. I don't use a lot of setting powder as it is just because I already have dry skin, so I don't use a lot. I do have a few in my collection already, but this is in the shade medium, I believe. I'm just opening up the box to see what it looks like. Oh, and it is huge, so I'm pretty sure it's a lot. It's a big container, so like I said, I don't go through powders a lot. I do have one that is my ride or die, which is the e.l.f. Halo Setting Powder. I'm pretty sure I've talked about it here on camera before on my e.l.f. videos, or even when I'm not talking about e.l.f. like now, I do bring it up. But anyways, the packaging is really pretty. I do like that. It looks like it is definitely a medium tone powder, which I do appreciate that because I am medium skin tone obviously. So this is nice. Like I said, I don't really need it right now, but I'm just gonna put it back in the box. I might give this one away since I have a lot already in my collection. The MSRP on this is $22, so that's not too bad. That's really good for a setting powder actually. Next up we have the Yensa Tone Primer Essential Glow, which is this, and I think I already have this actually, so it looks like this. I'm probably gonna give this one away because I already have this, but also open it so you guys can see that it's the same thing that I already have. Yep. Looks the same. There it is. I do like it. I use it once in a while. I don't use it all the time. It's not like one of my favorite things, but I already opened it, so I do try to use up the stuff that I open because I feel bad throwing stuff away that I have already opened, so I try to keep it in my rotation so that I use it up. It is the same thing. Color and Face, Tone Up Primer, Essential Glow, 8 Super Black Essence. Yeah, it says all the same stuff, so it's just a primer. Like I said, keep it in my rotation. I do use it. I do like it. That one is an MSRP of $35, which is not bad. I mean, it's a little bit up there for a primer. Next up, we have the Alley Up Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush. That is this, I believe. Yep, like this. And I actually do like that we get brushes in our boxes. I have a lot of brushes, but as you guys know, I hate washing them. That's the one thing I hate about makeup, is having to wash them. I think it's because I have so many that it takes up literally all day to wash them, and it drives me nuts. And I can't get out the brush. It's like attached to this thing. That's why I couldn't get it out. But it's supposed to be a 4-in-1, so I'm not sure exactly. Oh, that's interesting. I'm probably gonna lose it. But this is like a sponge, it looks like, here on this side. Like, okay, that's maybe under the eye would work, or like to clean up there. You're supposed to twist it and then the other parts come out, so there's another part to that. Very interesting, I guess. And then this part's supposed to come out too, and then there's another brush there. And then you have this brush here, which looks like it would be like a bronzer blush type of thing. This one would be like eyeliner, smudger type of thing, and eyeshadow. And your sponge side, this thing right here. That's alright. I'll probably use it, but like I said, probably like lose something, because whenever things come apart like this, I'm very bad at keeping it together. I'm sure that I will either have one of these brushes thrown somewhere, or it'll fall on the floor, because I drop everything every time I film. I don't know why. It just happens. But anyways, that is an MSRP of $28. Wow. I mean, I guess because it's a 4-in-1 brush. I don't know. Not super impressed with it, but it is what it is. Like I said, MSRP of $28. And then we have a lip scrub. And I feel like we get a bunch of lip scrubs in our boxes. I probably will give this one away. I got one last month. I'm sure I got another one like a couple months before that. So that is the Bali Balm Pineapple Lip Scrub. And I am not going to open this one. I'll like show it to you guys and kill the box, but I'll probably give this one away to someone because I have too many of them. So there's that one, and I already know which lip scrubs I like, and it looks sweaty. It just looks like a regular balm. It smells good though. I could definitely smell the pineapple. This one is an MSRP of $23. Like I said, I'll probably give this one away. I don't know. I can't say that I'm super excited about the box this month. So if I could say that there's anything that I'm interested in the box, would be these two things. But the brush is okay. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I'm not into this whole 4-in-1 thing. So there's that. And the balm I'm not excited about. I already have the primer, so I don't need that. So I'll probably end up giving most of the stuff in my box away. Like I said, this one looks good. I have a lot of powders in my collection already as it is, and I don't go through it that much to say, oh well, it's good because I'll have a backup. I have a lot of powders already, so probably give that one away too. So the only thing that I'm really gonna be keeping is the eye cream here from Saturday Skin. But other than that, I'll give this box like a, I don't know, a 3 out of 5, a 2.5 out of 5, just because this one is the only thing I'm keeping, and it's pretty much paying for my box, I believe, already, so I don't have to, I don't know, I'm meh about this box. So also I've been waiting for my premium box, and I haven't like my tracking thing, like it's not even updating. I thought it was gonna come when this one came, so I'm kind of annoyed about that. I don't know, I feel like every other month or every 2 months they mess up my tracking, or It takes forever for me to get my box, so I don't even know if I'm gonna do a video for the premium one. But that's what I got in my box this month. As you guys can tell, I'm not so excited about it, so it is what it is. I'm hoping that it gets better, because if it's not, I'm probably gonna end up canceling, because the prices did go up, like I said, so I'm not gonna be paying extra if I'm not gonna keep the stuff in the box. It's kind of annoying and kind of a waste of my money when I could be spending it on other stuff. But anyways, that is my box for this month. I actually do want to talk about one other thing. I don't know if you guys saw my shorts video that I posted. I did place an ULTA haul, and I have a couple of reviews coming up. I do want to test these out a while before I even talk about, well, I'm going to talk about them now, but I mean like actually give you a review. So I want to test them out. I got this from Peach and Lily. I talked about their toner here on my channel before. I really like their toner, so I wanted to go ahead and give the brand an overall try of their skincare. So I did get this little minis box here. So I have been using them. I've used them now for a couple of days. So far it's good, but it's not gonna do anything in 2 days, so I want to keep trying it out. But yeah, there is a shorts video where I showed you guys everything on there, so go check that one out. It's like 20 seconds or something. It's not even that long. And then I did also purchase this, which was recommended by Jackie Naturals. This is the Wet n Wild Bare Focus Tinted Hydrator Tinted Skin Veil. So I actually did try this out once only. I have a few thoughts on it, but I want to keep on trying it out with different things, so that will be coming up. And then I also, ooh, I already made it all dirty. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. And I know I am late to this one, but I do have a review coming up on this one as well. Like I said on my video where I talked about the Jaclyn Hill tinted whatever it is. I did talk there and said that I was trying out tinted moisturizers or anything in that tinted umbrella. So I did purchase a few more just to see what is out there, what I like, what I don't like. The reviews on these will be coming up as well. They'll have their separate videos, and same thing with the stuff on this right here. So excited to try new things out. I am wearing this one right now actually, and so far it is the first day that I'm wearing it. First impressions, I do like it, but I'm gonna keep on using it to see how, you know, it works out with other primers and moisturizers or whatever I use with it. But anyways, stay tuned for that. That is all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If there's any other tinted moisturizers that you guys have a recommendation on, definitely leave them down in the comments. Let me know what is the ones that you have liked. What do you guys think about it? Also, did you receive your base box? What did you like? What didn't you like? Are you gonna be keeping Boxycharm now with the price going up? Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles!